Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena touching base with you today from beautiful Blairsville, Georgia in the mountains. Just visited Hayesville and Murphy, North Carolina, another beautiful mountainous area where we are comforted and snuggled and protected by those beautiful Blue Ridge Appalachian Mountains. I just wanted to touch base with you today to let you know that my YouTube channel has been building. That's Sollite Anthusa Helena. You can check the YouTube channel there, and you'll see that weekly for quite a while now. I think there's 7 videos or podcasts that are listed to view that talks about Sollite's mission on healing and conscious awakening, helping people with individual private sessions, as well as teaching healthcare professionals and others interested in wellness, integrative medicine programs, a holistic approach to bridging the gap between medicine and spirituality. Check out the recent YouTube video I just posted last week before I left for the mountains on the heart of listening. It includes all the 6-month trainings. That's one modality and subject per month about the importance of listening through the heart to connect with your clients or just people in general and yourself on a soul and spiritual level. So that includes cranial sacral therapy, medical qigong, color and light therapy, repeating that, as well as the mechanism in our brain that gives us the illusion of separation. That would be the YouTube podcast I did the week prior on conscious awakening. And it also talks about entering into the soul level of heart and soul healing, the importance of listening on a deeper level to yourself and to your clients or your family or friends or someone you are caretaking and assisting along whatever journey they're on their path. And then finally into spiritual medicine, which gives us a deeper connection to our divine spirit within ourselves and to be able to navigate in those other multidimensional realms and assisting yourself and others in doing so. I keep working to post them on Facebook as well as I make each one of them each week. But you can also easily go to the YouTube channel, Sollite, Sollite, Anthusa Helena, and pick and see whatever you'd like to listen to, if that is something that resonates with you and you are interested. So, signing out for today. Still enjoying the mountainous air. We'll be here definitely for a couple more days and then back into South Florida for probably not too long, because I'm about ready to possibly purchase a home in the mountains and relocate. But I'm always reachable through the phone, through the internet, through cyberspace, and definitely all the integrative medicine programs are online and easily accessible around the world globally to anyone that wants to join in. Thank you very much. Have a very blessed and beautiful day. I know I am. I wanted to say one more thing. How grateful for all of us that I can get on a plane from Florida, rent a car, drive for 5 hours to my destination, come into a beautiful motel and have all the luxuries of being at home with your computer and internet, and also television stations. And really, when you think about a long time ago, our ancestry, our predecessors, being in wagon wheels or having to sleep outside on the ground and taking forever to get anywhere. How blessed are we to live in such a wonderful world of technology and ease of movement, and to be also able to listen to ourselves and have our own inner GPS and have ease of movement in our lives, both within our own selves and globally, to help others as well. So if you're interested in more details, log on to my website, www.sollite, SOLLITE.com, for more details and information. Again, be grateful and have a wonderful day. Nice connecting. Bye for now.